welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing what's inside my May BoxyCharm box. I love receiving these in the mail. I think it's so fun, and so I wanted to show you what was inside this month's box. I do want to give a quick disclaimer that this was sent to me. However, all opinions are my own. It's my choice to be sharing this video with you, but I just think that they're so fun. I love receiving this in the mail, and so let's see what's inside. All right, first up is the Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. The box says that this is designed to detoxify and revitalize skin overnight. So this is a product you only use in the evening and you apply it to your face, your neck, and your chest. And it says that this formula has supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen the skin's barrier while you sleep. It has vitamin C in it, which can help brighten and even your skin tone. And it says use it and you're gonna wake up with radiant, youthful looking skin. So what's really cool about this is that you take the lid off and it's kind of like a little pump. So you kind of pump your hand down on it and the moisturizer comes off in your hand, and then you kind of just rub your hands together and rub it everywhere. And so I used this last night for the first time, and so far really like it. I felt super moisturized after, so I'm looking forward to continuing to try this over the coming weeks, and I'll probably follow up on my Instagram stories with more of my thoughts on it after I've used it for a while. Next, I have the Behrman 1802 Illuminating Eye Serum. This product MSRP is at $42. It's designed to help you awaken that under eye area, especially when you're looking fatigued, and it helps fight the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. So I always need help with that. I'm guilty of staying up way too late and not getting enough sleep, so my under eyes definitely need the help. And you just apply a small amount to that under eye. You can do it on the eyelids, and you can actually use this product in the morning and the evening. So excited to continue trying this. I always love a good under eye serum. Next up, I have the Skin Inc. My Daily Dose of Uplift, and this is a serum that has encapsulated collagen, a coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid, and this is basically designed to help with anti-aging. This product MSRP is at $65, which, by the way, the Behrman product MSRP is at $42 and the Murad one at $74. So you can tell for what you pay for the monthly box, you're really getting a great value out of it considering the price of these products. And the collagen in this product is actually a marine collagen, which I've heard really good things about, so excited to give this one a go as well. Then I have the Sophia and Maybelle Hydrating Hybrid, and this is a lipstick and lip balm in one. So let me open it up here. Cute little pink packaging, and it's kind of like a nude color, the one that I have here. It's called Topless, and let me swatch it on my hand. So really pretty, kind of pinky, peachy color. I tried this on last night, and if you're looking for a nude lipstick, but you also want the hydration of the lip balm, I think you're really gonna like this. This product MSRP is at $15. And lastly, I have the Ciate London Shadow Flip. This product is really cool. It is a liquid eyeshadow, but it has shade shifting, color flipping pigments in it. So kind of if you look at it from one angle, it kind of looks one color, and a different angle, it looks a different color, and it definitely gives you that chrome effect on the eyelids. This color is the shade Ember, and it's really pretty. Kind of has green, gold, coppery tones. I mean, you can even see right now how I shift my hand back and forth that it's looking like different colors. So really cool. This, I basically apply a little bit to the back of my hand, tap my finger into it, and then apply it to my eyelid. I did this last night, and it looked really cool on my eyelids. So another really cool product. This one MSRPs for $20. And that's everything in my box. So if you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment down below. And I think I'm gonna start sharing these boxes here on YouTube every month because it's really fun to just unbox them and see what's inside. So if you want to see more unboxings of my monthly BoxyCharm boxes, then give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and I will see you really soon. Bye.